Now I want to show you how easy to create a module on CRUDBooster. Click on Module Builder. First, fill all the data in basic info form. Start from module name, path, etc. In this step, you should define all the fields of table you want. Don't forget to click on Save button. You can skip this step, since we don't need make a relationship at this time. Now, in this Browse design, we can change how field displayed by click Config on this button. Click Save. In this step, we can design how form input displayed. After update the fields, don't forget to click Save button. Great! Now you are ready to build the module. Click on New menu named Books on the sidebar. As you can see, the module has been created beautifully. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. See you on next tutorial.